So what is up guys, it's Divanshu. OnePlus has just revealed their OxygenOS 11 beta and I have a mixed feeling about it after using it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, if you have used the OnePlus phone in past, you know about the OxygenOS, how it's clean and close to stock Android experience with some tweaks of OnePlus, and its name suggests it's on Android 11. There are two major changes in this version: UI changes and some new features. So let's talk about the UI changes. After I have installed OxygenOS, I can see a big difference in overall UI and settings page. If you see overall, there's a main theme going on, which is bold, big and bold text. You can see everywhere, but it works only in lock screen, and everywhere else it looks like it is a one UI. Now just look at the settings page. It has the same collapsible UI for 100 users, and this continues in every app, be the stock app, phone app, gallery app, clock app, message app, and everywhere. So this suddenly looks like it is just a theme of one UI. Even now the quick settings have a collapsible header. Every time I use this OS, this feels like I have installed one UI theme on Oxygen OS. Because the one UI look is just like a theme. It's on home page, but it's not in the sub menus, as you can see in this settings app. Now I am not sure I like it, but because I have already used one UI, but one UI in Oxygen OS hybrid just doesn't feel good. But apart from this, some apps looks great with this changes, just like weather app. Next to old one, this looks appealing and modern. Apart from one UI theme, it comes with some new features, just like this new OnePlus Sense font replacing OnePlus Slate from this, and this new live wallpaper which changes with the time of the day. And the most important, the newly added features. So first off, we have always on display, which looks kind of cool, and there are a bunch of clocks. Most of these are already there, but there is a one interesting which took my eyes, which is a inside clock style. This is divided into two bars, which with a clock in between. The top bar has gap that shows the time you have unlocked the phone and used it, and the bar below the clock is the time bar. The clock color and position changes with the time. That's pretty cool, and this is a mix of digital well-being and AOD. So the next highlight, the dark mode, is improved, and now we have a quick setting toggle, so you can toggle it on and off quickly. In display settings, we have a option to schedule the dark mode, which is something that everybody wants in the um, Oxygen OS. And the another highlight of this update is new features in the camera app. There is a new portrait video option and a nightscape option too. There is a new gesture in the camera app. You can now press and hold the last taken photo and share it quickly, which is very handy. and and the Zen mode gets a new skin, and this new skin has a theme based on ocean, space, and nature. There are more durations that we can choose, so that is very handy. And but I know it's beta and things will change in the future, but I don't know why they change the UI, because nobody is complaining about the UI, and every person is just buying OnePlus for the Oxygen OS. So I have a pretty mixed feeling about it. I just didn't like the overall the theme they applied on the Oxygen OS to make it look like one UI. And I am pretty spectacle of the future of this if they are gonna continue this one UI like style in Oxygen OS. So let me know in the comments if you like that one or not. I just didn't like the one UI theme going on there, because the Oxygen OS is known for its uh, close to the stock Android feature. So if I have not covered anything in the video, please comment it out to share with everyone. Like this video. Thanks for watching.